to configure NFS server, we go into server manager. Installation type. Select the server, all those are normal. Here, yesterday, we have come and selected iSCSI target server. We have to come here and select server for NFS, that's all. So till installation, I hope we are good. Okay, then we will go into server manager, files and share services. You have, we have selected iSCSI yesterday and created new shares. We'll go into shares and create new share today. So NFS share quick. And again, select a custom place in custom folder. And share name, you give any name for that share. And you want authentication and no need authentication. And which server should be able to access it. You want read write permission and all. So we can configure all the permissions. And then once you confirm, a new NFS share will be created. Okay, test share. So then we will go into client and do the rest. So first, are we ready to follow these instructions and create an NFS share? Did you guys understand these instructions first?
Yes, sir.
Great. So let's go ahead. Okay, I did power on that machine. Will take. I will power on both the machines. So did you guys go through yesterday's videos? Now I have to install NFS server. I can go here and also here. This one. So yesterday target server is installed. Today server for NFS. So I hope we are clear so far. Yes, no?
Sir,
Now first I have to create a folder in which I will share, right? So what I'll do is I'll create a folder and call it NFS shares. Inside this, I'll create share one. Now I used to not have these shares. Now I have shares. NFS share quick. So I'm leaving it as share one. So no authentication. So this is what instructions say, right? Is it anonymous? So who should act as a client? Our Windows machine. .102 is the IP. So what kind of permission? We are giving him read write. So this one is not recommended. So see, even here it is not selected. Add These are all defaults. And create. So you have a new NFS share created. Are we clear so far? This is the server part of it. We will look at client part of it. Are we clear with server instructions? So this is for 2019 to act as a client. Okay, I think this one is already there. Same thing. Okay. So programs and features, turn Windows features on and off. Client for NFS. So this is how we have to install. So this is my Windows 10 machine. So here servers for NFS. So I have installed required stuff. This is a different instruction. This is required when you are doing a Unix share mounting. Okay, so this we don't have to do it now. So you have map network type option. You do this and you can mention server and share details here. It will get mounted. So if you go on to this one and properties, you see this remote path. AD, if you can resolve, you give AD, otherwise you give IP address on that machine. So let me ping AD. So I can resolve this machine. So I can give my remote path. Okay, I can see my Z drive. Now I don't have any files in here. I'll go here in share one. I don't have any file. So let me create a new file. You see that file created? It is 0 KB now. I'll do a refresh and there is some data now. So do you guys understand how to use NFS on a Windows machine? This is the simplest topic, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I can answer those.
Sir, once explain.
Okay. So we have two things to take care of. So we have to create. So NFS share is our goal. So before we do NFS share, let us use a different shape. So maybe this is our goal, how to color it. Okay, so NFS share is our goal. We will add the same object but different colors. So on a Windows machine, we will add NFS server role. After doing this, I should change. So NFS share is our goal, and we have created NFS server role. And before creating this NFS server role, one second. Sorry, I was talking on mute. So see, NFS share creation was our target. So we have created NFS server role first, created an empty folder in Windows, and used that as a share. So we have created a share and mapped this folder. Okay. Are we clear with this mind map, guys? So after creating NFS share, what did we do? Our next target was mount NFS share. So to mount this NFS share, what are the steps? So we went into programs and features and NFS for, server services for NFS. So step one. Okay. Are we clear with this? Then step two. I click on this PC. And then install Windows. After right click on this PC, map network drive. So use that map network drive option. Use remote. Okay, are we clear with the steps, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
Okay, which one did you like, the old tool or new tool? Which is more appealing?
New.
New one, right?
even sir.
Save as image. Maybe picture don't work.
Reba.
Okay, this I will upload in your class. Okay, any other questions, guys? So there will be one video attached with our last topic, which is failover cluster. You go through that. We don't have lab in my system right now. So I'm sharing you the old class where I had a different system and I had a lab. Okay. So this videos you can go through and there are few references. Okay, and do let me know if you have any questions. And we have to start our VMware class. I'm thinking of starting it from Monday. What is your plan, guys?
Fine, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we will
okay,
start
sir.
Monday and it will be the same time. Okay,
How many days it will take, VMware?
9 to 10.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So done for today, guys.